The United Nations is calling on the fashion industry to become more sustainable. It's challenging industry insiders to shift the way they communicate with consumers. The goal to guide shoppers away from overconsumption and toward more sustainable style options. Karina Mitchell spoke with some of the key changemakers involved in this groundbreaking initiative.
According to a new United Nations publication, the global fashion industry is directly contributing to a trifecta of environmental crises: climate change, pollution, and nature and biodiversity loss.
It actually is responsible from between 2 and 8% of the global greenhouse gas emissions. And the textile processes consume around the equivalent of 86 million swimming pools per year of natural water.
Through creation of the recently launched Sustainable Fashion Communications Playbook, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, and the United Nations Environment Program seek to fundamentally shift current fashion messaging away from a linear approach to one that embraces circularity.
It's one of the first documents that I've seen a very thorough discussion into the role that fashion plays, not only in decarbonizing our materials, our supply chains, our entire industry, but also as an opportunity to connect with consumers.
Primarily aimed at style marketers, brand managers, media, and storytellers, its aim is fourfold: to introduce new messaging countering misinformation and greenwashing, reduce overconsumption, promote more sustainable lifestyles, and empower consumers to demand more action from businesses as well as policymakers. Tanda says a shift in consumer behavior could prove transformative.
If we would transform our economy into a more circular one, and if we would have products staying in the economy and being used double the time, we will actually be reducing the greenhouse gas emissions by 50%.
Though the fashion industry has long been called out for its role in promoting overconsumption, one expert believes the timing is right for change.
Today, we see that there's so much practical guidance and research to support the industry making the move forward. And if not now, we really lose the opportunity that we have for future generations. So this is the time.
Karina Mitchell, CGTN, New York.